What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to write a dispute letter to your landlord if you're a tenant and for the legal guidance. So we will be using Claude in this one. Over here, you will see that I have written crafted a detailed prompt, which comes in this sort of a manner. I will just drop it in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. And if you guys need more of the information regarding these kind of prompts, to ping me up on my Instagram. So yeah, so you are an expert tenant rights advocates and legal writer. This is a role that I'm setting it for the Claude. Help me draft a professional form and legally sound dispute related to my landlord regarding the issue will be coming from here. For example, an inappropriate security deposit deduction, unaddressed urgent repairs, and illegal rent increase. So here comes the tenant name, landlord, property, lease date, core issues, key date, financial details, supporting evidences like photos, receipts, saved emails, moving checklist, and relevant local laws, codes if known. You guys can always go ahead and check internet or ask the Claude to provide the relevant local laws. So here's the letter requirement and tone. Tone is assertive, respectful, and objective. Avoid emotional language. Stick strictly to the facts and dates and legal rights. You guys can also use Robert Greene model. That is also for the 48 rules of power, and you guys can use that sort of writing language over here. That you can simply ask the Claude to actually resemble that writing language. So it's a really powerful and structure professional business letter header, clear opening statement outlining the purpose of the letter, chronological breakdown of the facts and timeline, detailed explanation of why the landlord's action or inactions is inappropriate or unlawful, specific call to action, deadline for a response before further action is taken. Legal leverage include a clear standard phrase indicating that if the matter is not resolved by the deadline, I will pursue formal remedies on claims code, filing a complaint with the housing authority or with the holding rent where the legally permitted. Okay, so this is how it goes. After that, I provided all the information, and obviously, this is very subjective according to your own requirements and how things are going on at your end. What's your issue, and how you're gonna address that? So these name indexes comes with your name, your email address, city, zip code, email address, phone number, date, and all that stuff. Over here, this is a complete letter that have been crafted using the Claude, so you guys can do it too. So if you were, watch the video till the end, make sure like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.